Hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3 until the light comes on. Several ways you can use this, but I like to set it on the first or second setting, and you can see the blue light, 1, 2, 3. But I'll put it on number 1. And since you're at the computer and doing a lot of computer work, go up and down the forearm. You're tracing this ulnar bone on the left side, PU, pinky ulnar. So you're running through your wrist flexors. You can open and close, set the intensity to 2, open and close. You can also get on your hands, the thenar eminence, get into this hand muscles, and then get onto your forearm. So again, I'm opening and closing as I'm going down, playing around with the angles just a little bit. So that's for your wrists and forearms. For your chest, which you also have really tight pecs, you can go again on the first setting, trace your collarbone out. Don't hit the bone, but get right on your pec, right underneath the collarbone, and kind of do like a chicken wing. And you're moving it in and out along your pecs. You can then get your shoulders, the anterior deltoid, medial deltoid, posterior deltoid. You can crank up the pressure. Those are the areas I would focus on using the gun and using the ball.